The ICC has confirmed the charges against former President Rodrigo Duterte over the crimes against humanity charge. Unanimous po yung decision, which means this will proceed to a full trial.
Reg, baka si Senator ang pinaka-least surprised dyan.
Kaya nga, I was about to say, you don't look surprised.
Well, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ano? Well, yes, in a way, we have expected this kasi alam natin na airtight yung kaso na i-prepare dito. And alam nyo, yung talagang, yung primary mandate ng ICC, ito na to. This is the case na kung bakit nag-exist o bakit create yung ICC to begin with. A head of government like Duterte who abused his powers to oppress his own people. So ito yon. And at least masaya tayo na we've gone past this stage. Ang next ito is yung pagsiset na ng trial.
Okay. Sir, yung kahapon, marami na deja vu kahapon eh. Doon sa yung binasa yung affidavit at yung nagpagtutugma doon sa AMLAC reports.
Teka lang, first of all, do you feel vindicated? People are saying that you should.
Well, yes, ano, pero secondary lang kasi 'yon, ano. I'm not exactly elated over that personal vindication kasi the damage has been done eh. Alam nyo kung naniwala yung mga kababayan natin noong 2016 when they first brought this out, sana we have spared our country nung Duterte dark years, ano. But yun na yan, water under the bridge na yan. Importante nito, natuldo ka na yan, yung pagbavalidate ng mga allegations ko. Sana lang madala ito o magtungo ito sa conviction ni Sara Duterte sa impeachment.